Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make pork steam buns using an easy method. First, let's prepare our dough. Combine 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, letting it bloom for 5 minutes. Then, mix 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Gradually add the yeast mixture and 2 tablespoons of oil to the dry ingredients, kneading for about 10 minutes until smooth. Finally, let the dough rise for 1 hour. Now, let's create our delicious pork filling. Dice 1 pound of boneless pork shoulder into small half-inch pieces. Marinate the pork with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. To thicken, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. For a burst of flavor, mix in 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1/4 cup of finely chopped green onions, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Ensure all ingredients are well combined for a savory and balanced taste. With our dough and filling ready, it's time to assemble and steam these delightful buns. Divide your risen dough into 12 equal pieces, rolling each into a 3-inch circle. Place 1 to 2 tablespoons of the savory pork filling in the center of each dough circle. Carefully gather the edges of the dough, sealing the bun with a pleated top. Arrange your buns on parchment paper in a steamer basket, ensuring they have space. Steam them for 15 minutes over medium-high heat until they are fluffy and cooked through. Congratulations, you've made delicious pork steam buns. Allow them to cool for a few minutes after steaming to prevent burning. These warm, fluffy buns are perfect as an appetizer or a satisfying light meal. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. To reheat, simply steam them for 5 to 7 minutes until they are warm and soft again. Enjoy your homemade, easy-to-make pork steam buns.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.